Yeah, the 1109 Superleggera. I've never seen an 1199 Superleggera.
This is Bulgaria.
Sheesh. Hell yeah, so they came over and said, what's up? Y'all work here, right, both of y'all? You're right. Called and said it was okay for you to buy a motorcycle. I like that. So we made it over to Newport Beach, Ducati out here. We got all these beautiful bikes. I'm sure these are all getting serviced, but I'll give you a quick little walk around here. We got a V4. We got a Super Sport. Oh, this Ducati red out here. We got a Multistrada. Another Super Sport, it looks like, with a little, the windshield's gone. Oh, and the mirrors are gone. That's what's really making, like, that looks completely different. The mirrors are gone. That's what's making it look odd. We got the Hyper Motards. We got Diablo back there, another Multistrada. Streetfighter V4. We've got, I love the fairings on this, a V4S course. Looks like a legitimate one, not just a wrap. Yeah, that looks good. Multistrada, Diablo. I really like the Diablos, I'm not gonna lie. Is that something, you guys saw me ride one at Ducati Island. Is that something you guys would want to see? Because I would definitely get one. It wheelies, it's comfortable, and it's got the power. You got another Ducati Monster back there. Street Fighter. The Scrambler. 959. No idea what this is. It's got no fairings on it. Monster Hyper Motard. You got a V4. Missing its wing, V4S. Damn, they got a ton of bikes in there, man. Look at that. They got bikes for days, boy. Monster, V4S, 959, Super Sport, Monster. I mean, they got everything you can think of out here. 50,000. My motor blew at 7,000 miles, man. Like, what?
What are you doing, sir?
I know, right, for real, what? I just got screwed with that bike, man. We got the Ducati Panigale 12.9. And not just the 12.9, we got the S, boy. 50,000 miles on this thing.
You just paint it.
I do love the black on there.
Nah, this is actually sick.
I wish they did more colors.
Then they wouldn't be Ducati. You know what I mean?
Well, even like a white with the red on a V4 would look good.
Satin white.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
SP.
Yeah.
And white.
That would be, oh my, like on the 959s or the V2s. Yeah.
All satin white with some red.
Even the Hyper, they got something like a cool little color scheme going on here.
Yeah, that's just fun.
This is like the top of the line one, isn't it?
No. So this one is
Isn't it like the Hyper Motard? Yeah.
There's the Hyper Motard SP.
Yeah, that's what it is. Yeah, see, Carson knows, man. Give him that knowledge, boy.
Yeah, I mean, I don't know too much about it. I know
Before they get him in the comments, you know, nah, man, I'm not an expert or anything. Don't come for me, don't at me. Yavo with the bags, saddle bags on there, it's pretty cool. Triumph, Street Triple RS. Multistrada V4S, another Street Fighter, Super Sport, another Hyper Motard SP, and then another Diablo, or ex-Diablo, it looks like. All right, let's go inside. This is where the real good stuff is gonna be. Your wife called and said it was okay for you to buy a motorcycle. I like that. I like that energy, man. Super Sport. I love the color scheme on these V2s. Dang, I've never seen one of these in person. Desmosedici RR, the double R, with the Brembos. Does it have a? Okay, I was gonna say I thought it had electronic suspension for a second. So don't sit on it. Congrats to whoever bought this, because this thing is definitely nice. Y'all comment down below how much you think this sold for. I have no idea, but I'm curious what these kind of bikes go for. We got a V4 sold to Dimitri. I love the black colors on this, man. Sheesh. Another V2 with a cool color scheme on it. I won't keep avoiding it. We got a freaking shoof. Sheesh. That's what I'm gonna do this whole time. V4 Superleggera out here. God, I love these bikes, man. So beautiful. Got the multi-stratas over here. Some of their Super Sport. We got another V2. We got the Ducati bikes out here too, which is cool. The final edition 1299. This is honestly my background for like 2 years on my phone. The S. Just the S. Yeah, the 1199 Superleggera. I've never seen an 1199 Superleggera. Wow. Yeah, that's a different red. I like that. Yeah, it is a lot brighter of a red. I don't know if the camera's gonna pick that up. It almost looks like a fluorescent yellow. Yeah, it literally looks like a fluorescent kind of red, like orangish kind of. Like construction orange, but it's not. Waiting for parts. Body fasteners. This is sold. Are these all sold? Another V2. V2. This must be a V4. I gotta look. Hold on. Yeah, I'm about to say the paint scheme was throwing me off, but the girthiness gives it away. It's a V4. And then they got a 1299 Superleggera over here hiding in the corner. I miss my bike so much, dude. I really do. They got an Anniversario. Dang, man.
Number 11.
Let's see, I've never seen one of these. Number 11 of 500.
Fluorescent red.
Let's see, yeah, it's a bright. I like it, man.
That was in 2014. Back then, when they were filming on TV, they were really dark, so they wanted it to pop, so they made it.
Yeah, it looks cool. But yeah, they got a cool setup out here, man. You come kick it, hang out, look at all the bikes. Hell yeah, so they came over and said, what's up? Y'all work here, right, both of y'all? Hell yeah, man. They've seen some of the videos, I'm sure, some random ones here and there, man. I appreciate that. That's crazy. Y'all recognize me, man. I was not expecting that at all. Yeah, I said, everyone said they don't recognize my face. Once I start talking, they're like, oh, no, I know who that is, man. That's pretty cool. So you want to come out here to Ducati Newport Beach and see my boys. What are y'all's names?
Edwin.
Khalil? Got y'all, man. Hell yeah, nice to meet y'all, man. That's what's up, dude. Dang, Ferrari Newport Beach, baby. That's cool. And where's the Lamborghini in Newport? Is that actually
They're located to Irvine.
Okay.
It's funny. They're
That's
called
where you
Newport
are.
Beach.
Yeah,
It
but
used to
they're
be
Irvine.
back there, a smaller spot, but
Yeah.
they expanded and they're over there.
Okay.
And we'll see what time when we get back, but we'll stop by because I don't know what time they close over there.
Hey, y'all explain what's going on. What is this?
This is bulgogi. So
Go beef.
Any tongs again? Yeah, where is it? They always screw us on this part. The tongs and then.
What is that?
This is pork belly. So bomb. So good. We got brisket. We're gonna get some lobster going soon.
So we just finished dinner over here at, where were we? Some Korean barbecue place. Really freaking good, wherever it was. And now Sim's gonna take me out in his GT3 RS. This thing's freaking beautiful.
We were dead even until like.
Ooh! Oh, I can't wait. I cannot freaking wait, man. Sheesh. Golly, boy. That beautiful gauge cluster. Ah, Sim, your favorite car?
Yeah, 100%.
Golly.
I've been through a good amount.
Yeah. Hell yes. Shoo. All right, let's get in here. They even went so far as save weight just to make that a sticker. Pretty cool. With the light up on the dash and the fire extinguisher, that's how you know it's real.
Yeah, it's factory too.
Oh, shit, damn, I was not ready for that. My bad, man. Hit my head.
It's all good. Nobody really sits in there anymore. Yeah, we raced this Tesla once. It's so funny.
Did you just wax them?
No, that thing is fast as fuck.
Yeah, I love the master
But first and
seatbelts.
second gear,
Yeah.
it was dead even, and then I finally started pulling third, fourth. I was gone, obviously.
Yeah.
But those cars, like the 0 to 70, 80 on them were stupid fast.
God, that sounds so good.
We'll let it warm up a little bit.
Oh.
Those are fast.
That's crazy. There we go. Yes. Look at those brakes, man.
That was like 40%.
Wow. That's crazy. Woo! That'll wake you up for sure. There goes Kay. That's crazy.
That's a risky street, but
oh, really?
I think we're good. The cop would have put us up a long time ago.
Yeah. G's about to start the Ferrari. Let's go! Holy cow. Wow. Oh my gosh. Holy cow. That's just how I like it too. Loud and obnoxious. That's perfect. That is perfect. Yeah, it really does. Damn. The F12. I can't imagine what a DDE sounds like.
About the same thing. It's straight pipe.
Oh, that sounds so good, man.
We built a full straight pipe from header all the way back. I just shipped the ones that we had out, but
Hey, yeah, G, you doing it right. So y'all build exhaust and everything here.
titanium stuff.
And we're looking at making stuff for the R1 soon. So be on the lookout for it.
R1, S1000.
There we go.
I'll show you the different.
Okay, I was about to say, yeah. God.
You're gonna text. He's gonna text you guys in 2 weeks and say, "Yo, I'm back in Cali."
Yeah, for real. What we doing today? What y'all doing? What meet we going to?
You could Airbnb it, please. Easy.
That's true.
Well, he's got his rental.
Well,
bike. You could easily get his rental bike.
Well, it's total, man.
Oh yeah, that's true. No,
It wasn't total.
Wasn't his total or is that's what?
Maybe I'll send a bike out here. Maybe I'll send my Total 9 out here. Is this still your brother's?
Yeah, the V4S. God. The dry clutch. I haven't heard that. The dry clutch probably sounds sick now. Yeah. Why did people? Oh no, this is not dry.
It's the same as yours.
Yeah. What's the benefit of the dry clutch? I think heat too. Heat? Yeah. Huh.
Yeah, performance, I think.
That's a crazy mechanical sound.
Yeah, this is beautiful. The aftermarket seat on it and everything.
Mm-hmm. That's KC.
Oh, is it really?
Yeah, from the.
His one is crash one?
Yeah.
Dang. I was supposed to buy one this year. I'm so annoyed, man. My motor. No, so I have a Total 9.
Yeah.
The motor blew on it, like right when I was waiting until when like warm back up to sell it, and it blew in like March or April.
How many miles?
So, woo, man, look at this beauty, boy. Man, so we just finished up the day with imKAY and his whole squad of friends, man, and it was a great ass day, honestly. Now we got an hour ride back to San Diego. It's actually like an hour and a half. I love that it shows me my directions. It's midnight right now, as you can see down there. It's actually later than midnight. It's 12:14. I met up this morning at, what time was it? 9:30 a.m. with Kay, and we literally just hung out all day. The entire day together. I know he has a girlfriend, like, I know he has a life, like, he has other stuff going on. So huge shout out to imKAY. If you don't know who that is, go check him out. He's got some dope content, absolutely insane collection of motorcycles as well. And bro, thank you so much for that hospitality and just like I said, just hanging out all day. That really means a lot, and like is a true testament to the type of guy he is. But yeah, go enjoy this video. Make sure that like button, hit that subscribe button, join the FastLaneD gang, baby. I'll catch you on the next one. We're out, baby. Peace.